Baby shark went out to play. Do-do-do-do-do. He called his fishy friends that day. Do-do-do-do-do. They swam in circles round and round, splashing bubbles up and down. It's a dance party under the sea. Come along and dance with me. Clap your fins, stomp your tail, wiggle like a wiggly whale. Spin around, then freeze real tight. Shake your scales left and right. Dance, dance, baby shark. Twist and twirl in the dark. Dance, dance, don't you stop. Bubbles pop and jellyfish hop. Mama shark brings disco lights, glowing colors, what a sight. Papa shark starts tapping his fin. Let the ocean boogie begin. Octopus strums with all his arms. Crab clicks claws with extra charm. The turtle spins like a DJ pro. Time to rock the reef below. Clap your fins, stomp your tail, wiggle like a wiggly whale. Spin around, then freeze real tight. Shake your scales left and right. Dance, dance, baby shark. Jump like dolphins, make your mark. Dance, dance, have some fun until the party's done, done, done. Now the sea is getting dark. Stars are twinkling near the shark. They yawn and stretch, they blink and sway. Time to end this dancing day. Hug your fins, close your eyes. Dream of seas and starlit skies. Sleepy shark, you dance so bright. See you in the waves tonight.
Hello friends, hit like if having fun. Hit share to show love. Subscribe so you never miss fun.